Welcome to Kysersis, your go-to destination for exploring the power of AI. If you've ever dreamed of building your own AI chatbot but didn't know where to start, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through how to create your first AI chatbot completely for free. No coding experience required. So grab your notepad, hit that like button, and let's dive into the future of AI. Before we dive into the how, let's quickly talk about the why. AI chatbots can automate customer service, provide 24/7 support, assist with sales, and even handle personal tasks. The best part? With the right tools, you don't need a tech degree to create one. It's about working smarter, not harder. First things first, you need a platform. Here are 3 free platforms you can use to build your chatbot today. 1. ChatGPT API by OpenAI, perfect for advanced customization. While using the API can incur costs, OpenAI provides free credits to get you started. 2. Tidio, great for e-commerce and simple customer service bots. 3. ManyChat, fantastic for creating bots on Facebook, Messenger, or Instagram. For today's guide, we'll use Tidio because it's beginner-friendly and free. Head over to tidio.com and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with a dashboard. Click on Create New Chatbot. Tidio offers pre-built templates like Welcome Message or FAQbot, which are great starting points. But today we're building one from scratch. Here's where the fun begins. Step 1. Choose a trigger, like when a visitor lands on your website. Step 2. Add an action. For example, the chatbot can greet the visitor with, "Hi there, how can I help you today?" Step 3. Create responses. Use decision trees by offering options like learn about products, talk to support, or get discounts. Tidio's drag-and-drop interface makes this super intuitive, so experiment and see what works best for your audience. Now let's make your chatbot smarter. Under AI responses, start feeding it common questions and answers related to your business. For instance, if you sell tech gadgets, add FAQs like, "What is your return policy?" and provide concise answers. Over time, your chatbot will learn and improve based on customer interactions. Once your bot is designed and trained, it's time to test it. Use Tidio's preview feature to see how the chatbot responds to different queries. Refine any awkward conversations and tweak responses until it's smooth. Finally, deploy it on your website by integrating the provided code or plugin. Here are some quick tips to make your chatbot shine. 1. Keep it conversational. Nobody likes talking to a robot, so make it friendly and human-like. 2. Add fallback responses. For when the bot doesn't know the answer, provide helpful alternatives. 3. Use visuals. Emojis and images can make the experience more engaging. Analyze and refine. Regularly check chatbot analytics to improve responses and update data. Want to level up your chatbot skills? Check out these free resources. 1. OpenAI's developer guides. 2. Tidio's tutorial blog. 3. Kysersis' upcoming videos on AI techniques. And that's it. You've built your first AI chatbot for free. Easy, right? If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to Kysersis for more AI tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. What chatbot project are you planning next? Let us know. Until then, stay innovative and keep building the future.